Hello again everybody, today we're on Wild Mountain, one of the many awesome airsoft fields in the Netherlands. This game area has the perfect balance between CQB and Woodland. It was my first time playing there as well as first time testing out my new camera setup, but more about that in the video description. So me and my buddy Assassin rushing the left flank trying to cover our drug carrier from special forces so he can complete his mission of transferring some cocaine from one plane to another. If you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up, it really helps a lot. So without further ado, let's get into action. I was using a new aim top motor, so I was not yet used to the dry firing sound. Also, I had a lot of inconsistencies of shots, because I had to borrow a different upper for my ICS from my buddy Assassin. My was shooting way too hot for the 350 FPS limit this morning. Or it had something to do with some new mags I was playing with for the first time. After this very unsatisfying start, I'm back on the left flank.
Pass auf, da ist der Gunny. Nope. Der Gunny ist hier. Fuck. Pass auf, der ist hier hinterm Haus. Der Kumpel von... Ne, bei mir, hinter mir.
I'm telling Assassin that Gunny's friend May made it behind the house. Well, that took painfully long.
Das hat aber lange gedauert. Left side. Someone's coming. There he is.
I'm trying to push the left flank to lure the enemy away from the center objective.
Dit of niet? Hij is weggedoken, maar.
Let's see if I can make it across the field with 350 FPS.
Oh, look at this. Er loopt er eentje achter, hè?
That must be the Special Forces carrier, but no chance from here to hit him. I'm moving up to get a better angle on the enemies. Luckily it was unnoticed. From here I can start picking off the enemies one by one.
Phoenix kill. Sniper on sniper. Nice, bro.
My teammates are moving up, so I can be less careful about my left side. in a pretty good spot. No enemy saw me advance, but still I'm very concerned about my left side.
There's one over there. But you can come, you can come.
Trying to make my teammates move up. Now my full attention can be addressed to the right side.
Fuck!
It was that moment he realized he has no magazines left in his plate carrier.
There's one on your side, eh?
Yeah, I have no ammo. I'm empty. Everything is empty.
I'm literally searching my dump pouch for magazines that has a couple BBs left. Then I realize I have one last emergency magazine on my belt line. Adrenaline makes you make crazy stuff.
Phoenix kill. Okay, all clear. Right side is clear.
Yeah, there's a group.
Oh yeah. There's one guy again. But I think I gotta move up.
I advance further field inwards to cut off the enemy, sending reinforcements to the center where the drug move is happening. While doing that, I tore my pants apart. I see my teammates are moving up, so I use the large movement that covers the small to sneak closer to the enemy's position. I'm so close I can hear enemy players talking on the other side of this position. I have to make a jump on them. And while he has me in his crosshairs, I'm completely out of ammo, and that's it for me. I got taken out of the game. And that's it for this week's first video from Wild Mountain. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more Rush gameplay from Wild Mountain or other fields, make sure to subscribe and stay up to date by pressing the bell notification icon. If you have any questions about anything, maybe my camera setup, leave them in the comments below. I see you guys.